Introducing the Swann EVO Video Doorbell with the SwannShield AI Voice Assistant. Someone's at the door? SwannShield will handle it. Using AI and your personal inputs, it talks with visitors like it's a real person. See it all in HD, from faces to package details, nothing goes unnoticed. Use the Swann security app to select the personality, accent, and over 100 languages. There's also a transcript of every conversation for you to review. Get the full picture, from head to toe and doorstep to driveway. Never in the dark, powerful night vision sees up to 16 feet, even after sunset. Truly reliable security. With True Detect, you only get alerts that matter. Set it, forget it. Store footage locally, no monthly fees ever. Save hundreds of dollars in subscription fees every year. Flexibility first, use it wire-free or hardwired. Either way, smart and secure. Beyond a bell, it's intelligent doorway defense. Let EVO handle things at your doorway. That's the EVO Video Doorbell with the SwannShield AI Voice Assistant. It's security you can trust from Swann.